He to have in a simple past 2 brothers and 3 sisters. Il avoir à l'imparfait 2 frères et 3 sœurs. He had 2 brothers and 3 sisters. He had 2 brothers and 3 sisters. Il avait 2 frères et 3 sœurs. Il avait 2 frères et 3 sœurs. They to have in a simple past an accident, but fortunately nobody is dead. Il avoir à l'imparfait un accident, mais heureusement personne n'est morte. They had an accident, but fortunately nobody is dead. They had an accident, but fortunately nobody is dead. Ils avaient un accident, mais heureusement personne n'est morte. Ils avaient un accident, mais heureusement personne n'est morte. You to have in a simple past opportunities, but you really failed. Tu avoir à l'indicatif imparfait d'opportunité, mais tu as réellement échoué. You had opportunities, but you really failed. You had opportunities, but you really failed. Tu avais d'opportunités, mais tu as réellement échoué. Tu avais d'opportunités, mais tu as réellement échoué.